Hello, hello, hello. So I wanted to come on here. I just finished having a conversation with my daughter about building and establishing credit. And after having that conversation, I want to share with you all a few tips on how you can build your credit. So let's think about it. Are you on the road to reestablishing your credit? Are you on the road to building your credit? If so, my question is, have you been bitten by the sting of poor credit? I know at some point I was. It affected how I was able to get an apartment, the interest rate in a car, um, insurance premiums, right? What about credit cards? Credit affects everything. So if you are on the road to reestablishing or establishing your credit, first of all, congratulations for even being credit conscious. So 5 tips that I have for you to establish your credit is the first one is if previous credit has stopped you from being able to obtain or reestablish credit, the first thing that you can try to do is get like a gas card or like a department store card. A lot of times they're much easier to acquire than major credit cards. So that's one way. The second way I would suggest is a secure credit card. Secure credit cards, you can get started with about $200 up to $2,000. I would say a good solid startup with a secure credit card is about $300 to $500. And now, when you're shopping around for secure credit cards, make sure that you find out if that company or bank or institution is reporting that secure credit card as an unsecured credit card and not a secure credit card. So make sure you have a clear understanding on that. And then another thing is if you bank with a credit union, go to your credit union and see about getting a loan. And if you were able to get a small loan, put it in your savings and then slowly pay that loan back each month on time. That is a great way to reestablish and establish your credit. Another way is for you to if you do have an open credit card, ask them to increase your limit. In increasing your limit, this will help your utilization rate. Now, in doing so, you don't want to use the new limit. Is only to help you build your credit. So you make sure that you don't use that additional limit. You keep doing what you're doing to keep building your credit. And last but not least, if you do not have a checkings or savings account, I suggest that you open up a checkings and savings account. This will help establish you in the financial community. And in doing so, and teaching you how to manage your money. And the thing about that is you learn to manage your money, then you're preparing yourself to learn to manage credit. So I hope this information was good information for you all and it was helpful. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.